Okay, good evening to all. I'm Navina Rajesh. I will be teaching science for you. Okay. So Kedar, Ali Hassan, Bhavya, if it is possible, can you turn on your camera? Bhavya. Okay. So I hope you can hear me clearly. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, so today we'll learn the lesson number 13, methods of preserving food. Okay, so Kedar, in your school, which lesson is going on? Your mic is off. Kedar, your mic
The
is
last lesson we learn have a third lesson of EVS.
chapter name?
Yes,
Which chapter?
the earth and its living world.
Okay, so chapter number 3 is going on. अभी स्कूल में चैप्टर 3 सिखा रहा है.
फर्स्ट यूनिट में था, अभी तक कुछ साइंस का भेजे नहीं.
Okay, and Bhavya, in your school, which lesson is going on? Your mic is off. Bhavya, unmute your mic. Okay, so anyway, today we'll learn lesson number 13, methods of preserving food. Okay. So have you heard the term preservation? आपने किधर सुना है preservation? Anybody? किसी ने किधर सुना है ये term preservation? No? No one?
No, teacher.
No.
No,
Okay.
teacher.
Okay. So in the last class, we have learned about crops. Kharif crop, Rabi crops. Even Kedar and Bhavya, you might have studied it in 4th standard. 4th standard में आपने पढ़ाई किया है Kharif crop और Rabi crops के बारे में. Do you remember? Yes. Okay.
Teacher.
Yes. तो Kharif crop मतलब what is Kharif crop? हाँ. Kharif crop मतलब क्या है? Come on, whatever, if it is wrong or right.
June to October.
हाँ.
June to October.
Yeah, June to October. मतलब Kharif, the crops which grow during Kharif season. Kharif season मतलब during rainy season. Okay. So, can you tell me example for Kharif crop? Which crop required water? Yeah, which crop required rainy season?
Rice.
Rice. Yes, very good. So, we know that rice will grow during rainy season only. Okay. But will we get rice in summer season also? Rice? No? You are not getting rice in summer season?
Yes, teacher.
See, Kedar, rice को grow होने के लिए rainy season चाहिए. Okay. But we will get rice throughout the year. ऐसा कभी भी आप मार्केट में जाओ, you will get rice, isn't it? तो वो कैसा possible है? Why it is possible?
क्योंकि टीचर वो लोग स्टोर करके रखते हैं.
Yes, very good, because they are storing the rice properly. Okay, तो rice ले लो, wheat ले लो. So they are the crops which will grow in a particular season. Even though they will grow in a particular season, we will get these crops throughout the year. बराबर?
Yes,
ऐसा? Yeah, like that there are so many fruits, vegetables which will grow in different season and different places. Okay. Then also we are getting that fruits and vegetables throughout the year. Abhi, Ratnagiri is famous for what? Which fruit?
Mango.
मैंगो. रत्नागिरी में मैंगो फेमस है. देन ऑल्सो आपको मैंगो, रत्नागिरी का मैंगो खाने के लिए रत्नागिरी में जाना पड़ता है? No, we will get here only. Okay, so how it possible?
Can you export a mango in India?
Yeah, they transport. Okay, तो ट्रांसपोर्ट के टाइम पे मैंगो तो ज्यादा दिन रहेगा?
No, teacher.
No. So how we are getting safe mango? Means without any spoilage, we are getting the mangoes. How? Huh? Because one by one. First, Ali Hassan. Preserve. Okay. Kedar.
टीचर जब लोग वो एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं तभी उसके ऊपर है ना घास जैसा कुछ जो डालते हैं, उससे उसके वजह से वो लोग मतलब जो मैंगोज है वो ज्यादा दिन टिक सकते हैं.
ओके. अभी और एक एग्जांपल. सपोज पाइनएप्पल. एट योर होम पाइनएप्पल इज देयर. ओके. इफ यू आर कीपिंग पाइनएप्पल फॉर 1 week without storing it properly, what will happen to that pineapple? खराब हो जाएगा. सो अगर उसको खराब होने से रोकना है तो व्हाट यू विल डू?
फ्रिज में रख सकते हैं. Store in a refrigerator.
Refrigerator. Okay, if you store in refrigerator, you can use it for more than 2 days. Okay. तो उधर हम लोग क्या कर रहा है? रेफ्रिजरेटर में रखने से हम लोग वो फूड को या फ्रूट को क्या कर रहा है?
वो टीचर उसको फ्रेश रखता है.
ओके. तो वी आर प्रिजर्विंग दैट फ्रूट. ओके, हम लोग प्रिजर्व कर रहा है. प्रिजर्व करना मतलब टू स्टॉप स्पॉइलेज. ओके, वो फ्रूट या कौन सा भी वेजिटेबल कुछ भी हो जाओ, यू आर preserving it. You are stopping, yeah, you are preventing it from getting spoilage. Understood? आपने देखा रहेगा at home, if milk is there, what your mother will do? She will boil it. Okay, why she is boiling the milk? Why she is boiling the milk? Yes. Why your mother is boiling the milk, or why your mother boils the milk? खराब ना हो. तो बॉइलिंग में क्या हो रहा है? बॉइलिंग करने से वो मिल्क में क्या हो रहा है? Bhavya, are you there? I can't see you and I am not getting any answers from you. Bhavya. हाँ? Germs, yes. Boiling will kills the germ. Okay, तो उससे क्या होएगा? We can keep the milk for more than so many days. Okay, तो that is preservation. Preservation means to store या to keep the food without stopping spoilage of that food. Okay, preservation means what? Handling or treating food to stop or slow down spoilage. Understand? Can you see my screen?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay, so I will write the definition here. Preservation means handling or storing the food. Read out. When I am typing, you try to read it. The food to stop or to slow down, to stop or to slow down spoilage. Spoilage मतलब spoilage means हाँ
खराब हो जाना,
खराब हो जाना. ओके तो हम लोग प्रिजर्वेशन तो क्या कर रहा है, वी आर स्टोरिंग द फूड एंड वी आर बाय स्टॉपिंग, we are stopping the spoilage or we are slow down the spoilage. Okay, उसको एक तो spoilage को slow करता है, नहीं तो we are stopping that spoilage. Understood the term preservation? उसमें कुछ doubts है?
no teacher,
No. Okay.
no teacher.
Okay, so now we understood what is meant by preservation. Okay, अगर आपने फूड प्रिजर्व नहीं किया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मम्मी ने योर मदर प्रिपेयर चपाती, ओके एंड you kept that chapati for 7 days या more than 7 days. After 7 days, can you see any growth on that chapati?
No. Yes teacher.
No?
Yes,
Can you
teacher.
Yes. Okay. Kedar, can you see any growth? चपाती ऐसे 7 दिन रख दिया तो उसमें कुछ दिखेगा आपको या फ्रेश ही दिखेगा, एकदम ताजा दिखेगा चपाती?
No.
ओके नाउ आई विल गिव यू अनदर एग्जांपल. ब्रेड पता है, bread and jam bread. Okay, so if you are keeping bread for more than 5 or 6 days, after 6 days can you see any growth on the bread?
Yes teacher. खराब हो जाएगा.
Yes. Yeah, I will show you the picture. Can you see this picture?
Yes teacher.
Okay, so if you keep chapati or bread or any food items, okay, without storing it properly, you can see like this growth. So what is this? Why you can see such changes?
So he could be take it a
Germs, okay, or we can say it is due to microorganisms. Okay, तो फूड को कौन खराब करता है? Who spoils food? Microorganisms. Yes. अभी this growth is due to fungus. Okay, ये powdery जो growth है, if you keep tomato for so many days, you can see on tomato whitish growth. Okay,
Yes,
so
teacher.
that is because of fungus. So fungus is one type of microorganism. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so first we learned what is preservation, then we understood what will happen if you are not preserving the food properly. Okay,
Yes.
now tell me, suppose you eat this chapati or bread, it will cause any effect on you, any harmful effect on you?
Yes teacher.
What will happen if you have, huh? What will happen? How will it affect you? You will get sick. Sometimes
Yes,
you will
teacher.
get stomach ache, vomiting, isn't it? So if you are not preserving the food properly, what will happen? It will affect your health. Is it?
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes teacher.
Okay. तो
Yes.
food खराब हुआ कैसे समझ में आएगा? How you will understand that the food is spoiled?
The bad smell आएगी.
Huh?
Bad smell.
One by one. Yes, Bhavya, please unmute your mic.
Teacher, bad smell आएगी.
Bad smell. Yes, smell will change. Then what about the taste? Will the taste change?
Yes teacher.
Yes. So smell, taste. Yes, smell, taste. Yes, color, sub, everything will change. So from that we can identify that food is spoiled. Okay. Then why? So there are some conditions. Okay, for the proper growth of microorganism. If a microorganism need to grow on a food, it need 3 conditions. Okay, there should be air, there should be moisture, and there should be warmth. Okay, if these 3 conditions are available, microorganisms will grow. Okay, so microorganisms need proper air, moisture, warmth. Clear?
Yes, teacher.
So first we learned what is meant by preservation, and what will happen if the food is not preserved, and what will happen if we consume spoiled food, and then last we learn what are the conditions required for the growth of microorganism. Okay,
Yes.
now we'll learn about different preservation techniques. See, if you observe, or if you just think what your mother is doing for preserving the things, preserving food items at home, what are all techniques she is using to preserving the food items?
खाने को फ्रिज में रख देते
हाँ, फ्रिज में. Okay, yes, yes, very good. So can you keep rice wheat in your fridge?
नो
No.
टीचर
तो फ्रिज में कैसे फूड आइटम्स रखते हैं?
वेजिटेबल्स रखते हैं
Vegetables, yes.
Fruit,
Fruits, yes.
just salan,
Okay,
fish,
then
chicken,
okay, meat, yes, meat, then
एग्स
eggs, very good. Then
some more vegetables.
okay, so these are the things which we can keep inside the refrigerator, or we can refrigerate it. Okay, so the first method of preservation technique is refrigeration. Okay, तो रेफ्रिजरेटर में रखने से क्या होता है?
क्या वो फ्रेश रहता है?
कैसे फ्रेश होता है? Why microorganisms are not
रहता है।
entering into refrigerator?
कूल रहता है इसके लिए नहीं आते माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म
हाँ,
कूल रहता है
ठंड रहता है, तो ठंड रहने से क्या होता है?
माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म नहीं आते
Microorganisms, yes, microorganisms will not grow
नहीं आते
in low temperature. So refrigerator में we know that the temperature is cold, and we have already learned that microorganism need warmth also. Warmth मतलब थोड़ा गर्मी भी चाहिए. Okay, so inside refrigerator, will the microorganisms get warmth?
नो टीचर
No. Okay, so in the low temperature, yeah, in cool temperature, microorganisms cannot grow. So have you observed during winter season, the food will not get spoiled easily?
यस टीचर
Did you observe? अगर कुछ बनाया, कुछ सालन बनाया, तो गर्मी में कैसे रात तक वो जल्दी खराब हो जाता है, but winter में
Yes, teacher.
it will not spoil easily. Okay,
Yes,
because
teacher.
in low temperature microorganisms cannot grow. Clear?
यस
Okay,
टीचर
so that is the first technique, that is refrigeration. Now any other technique? Have you seen your mother keeping papads, sabudana papads outside?
Yes,
Avla,
yes.
what she is
teacher.
doing? Why she is keeping it outside?
क्या in summer season he could be a sunlight will be a strong.
हाँ, तो बाहर सनलाइट में रखने से वो फूड को क्या होता है?
जो ड्राई हो जाता है फिर उसको
ड्राई हो जाता है. तो ड्राई होना मतलब वो फूड में क्या हो रहा है?
गर्मी मिलती है
हाँ,
गर्मी मिलती है
गर्मी मिलती है, लेकिन गर्मी से क्या हो रहा है? वो फूड में क्या हो रहा है? suppose, for example, Avla we kept outside under sunlight. Okay, so Avla after 4-5 days, what will happen to that Avla? क्या होता है आंवला को? वो जूसी कंटेंट मिलेगा आफ्टर 4-5 days?
Yes.
जूसी, अब देखो फर्स्ट फ्रेश आंवला जब खाएंगे यू विल गेट जूसी. When you will chew the avla, you will get juicy. But if you keep under sunlight for 1 week, will you get that juicy? No. So what happened?
गर्मी में सूख जाता है आंवला का
सूख
जूस।
जाता है मतलब see, when you are drying any food items, it will remove the moisture content. Okay, it will remove the moisture content from the food items. Okay, so we have already discussed that, or we have already learned that microorganisms need moisture also. So if moisture is not there, what will happen? It can't grow. Okay, so in this way, drying food items will help to preserve the food items. So can you give some examples which food items are preserved by the technique called drying?
pickles and papad.
Papad, okay, then
Pickles.
pickles, okay, then
अच्छा विलेज में ज्यादा करके मैंगो का एक ना मतलब अपन जिसमें थाली में खाते हैं ना उसमें एक ना गोल कलर का है वो बनाते हैं
okay,
और वो भी टेस्ट मतलब खाने ड्राई हो जाता है पूरा
dry हो जाता है, okay. And have you seen dried fish? Some fishes are,
Yes, teacher.
yes,
Dried.
some suka machi. Yes, so some fishes are dried and we can store it for so many days. Like that dry fruits, isn't it?
Yes,
So
teacher.
yes, so this drying is another method. Okay, so first method is refrigeration. Second method is drying. Okay, now we'll see about the third method. Can you see the picture?
यस टीचर
So in third picture, what it indicates or what it represents?
milk was a boiling
Boiling. Okay, so boiling is the third technique. Okay, so boiling, how boiling will help the food item to store for long days? How boiling helps the food item to store for long days?
Germs मर जाते हैं।
Yes, boiling kills the germs, right? So see, in refrigerator, microorganisms cannot grow in low temperature. In drying will remove the moisture, your water content from the food item, which is very, very essential for growth of microorganism. Then boiling will kills the germs. Okay, so as a result, we can store the food items for long days. Okay, so can you, is it possible to boil all food items?
No, teacher.
So in which food items we will prefer this technique, boiling technique?
The
Milk, water we can boil and keep. Okay, Bhavya, is it clear for you? If it is clear, please show your thumb. Okay, very good. Okay, now next method, see. This, what is this picture about?
just small
जो मसाला स्टोर करके रखा हुआ है डब्बे में।
डब्बे में, for example, gulab jamun, rasgulla, have you seen in bottles?
Yes, teacher.
If you if you keep that bottles without opening, you can store it for long days, isn't it? So that is fourth method, that is known as storing in airtight containers. Okay, storing in airtight containers, or you can also call it as canning. Okay, so in fourth method, what they are doing, first they will remove the air from the bottle. Okay, they will remove all the air from the bottle, then they will fill the food items in the bottle, then they
Yes,
will
teacher.
airtight that bottle. So from outside the air will not enter inside the bottle. Okay, so we studied that microorganism need air, moisture, warmth. Okay, so because the air is absent, air is totally absent in that airtight containers, we can keep the food items for longer days. So can you tell me some examples, the food items which we can keep it in airtight containers? Anyone?
dal,
Dal, airtight containers.
grains,
Grains, okay. Then,
red chili powder, turmeric powder,
That's all.
okay. Then this liquids, soft drinks. Yes. Soft drinks. Then packed food. If you go to market, you will get ready-made packed food. So these foods are stored in airtight containers. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
So these are the different techniques of preservation. So which are the different techniques of preservation? Kedar, you tell me first.
store of food,
Read it. Can you see? Is it visible?
no teacher.
No?
Teacher, मैं बोलूं?
Can you read it now?
Drying,
Drying,
boiling,
okay. Boiling, okay. Then,
store in airtight containers.
okay. Otherwise, you can call it as canning also. Okay. Yes, Ali Hassan, read it. Tell me the four types of, four techniques, different types of preservating techniques.
Cooling, drying, boiling, storing in airtight container, canning.
Canning. Did you read refrigerator?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, Bhavya. Bhavya, please unmute your mic. Bhavya, don't you know how to unmute the mic? Can you hear me, Bhavya? Yes, Bhavya, can you hear me? Okay. Okay, so these are the different types, the different techniques of preservation. Okay, now another method of preservation. Okay, so see, do you know how to make pickles? Suppose you have to make a mango
Yes.
pickle. What are all things you will add in mango pickle?
Chili powder,
Oil
salt,
and
Chili powder, okay. Salt, then
Lemon.
oil. Okay,
Lemon.
then
chilies,
okay.
Sugar.
color,
Okay, sugar, yes, very good. Then, if your mother is near to you, just ask her whether she use vinegar. Just ask your mother whether
No.
she use vinegar. No? No?
no teacher.
No. So she used oil.
Yes,
Yes.
teacher.
Yes. So why oil is added to this pickle?
क्योंकि उसमें मतलब सन नहीं जाने के लिए उसमें ऑयल डालते हैं.
सनलाइट जाने के लिए.
मतलब वो सन नहीं जाने के लिए ऑयल डालते हैं.
See,
Taste
if you add some oil,
सनने के लिए.
if you add some oil in water, can you see oil on the top of the water on the surface?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So oil will not mix with the water. Okay. So as a result, what happened? The outside air, it will not enter. So without air, can microorganism grow?
No, teacher.
No. So oil, salt, sugar, all these things are substances which used naturally to preserve the food. Okay. And they are known as preservatives. Okay. They are known as what?
Preservative.
Preservatives. So preservatives means the things that are added into food in order to prevent food spoiling. Okay. जो चीज food में डालते, okay, to stop spoiling food, that are known as preservatives. See, right now at anyone's home, jam bottle is available.
Yes, teacher.
Just go and bring. किसी के घर में जैम हो या पिकल का बॉटल हो जो मार्केट से लिया है, तो जल्दी लेकर आओ. I will give you 2 minutes. No? Bhavya is not having. Okay, I think Kedar went to bring. Yes. Okay, Kedar, just see on the label. Can you see the term preservative on the bottle? देखो preservatives किधर लिखा है क्या? Ali Hassan, what you brought? Ali Hassan के हाथ
behind जिधर टीचर MRP लिखा है उधर है.
preservatives लिखा है. Okay, so can you read? They have mentioned the name of the preservatives.
लिखा है ना, content permit classic preservation artificial in which sugar water lactic acid.
Can you see? Anyone? Small लिखा है. Okay. So in jam bottle, pickle bottle, you can see preservatives. They have mentioned the name of the preservatives also. Okay. So, but they are chemical preservatives. Okay. They are chemical preservatives. They are chemicals added to that bottles to keep the food items fresh for longer period. Okay. So salt, sugar, oil, all these are natural preservatives, whereas there some chemical preservatives are also available. Clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so which are the different techniques of preservation? First, refrigeration, then drying, boiling, storing in airtight container, then adding preservatives. Clear this much? Is it clear? Okay, now there is a question for you. Okay, have you heard semolina? Semolina मतलब रवा सुना है, रवा सूजी.
Yes, teacher.
Okay,
Yes, teacher.
okay. Now listen carefully. See, I have kept some rava. So English में रवा को semolina बोलते हैं. Okay, so I have kept semolina in a bottle. Okay, for 1 week. And ये रवा यूज करके या semolina यूज करके I have made खीर also. रवा का खीर खाया है, बनाया है घर पे, कभी खाया है रवा से बनाया हुआ
Yes,
खीर?
teacher.
यस, ओके. तो एक बॉटल में आई हैव रवा एंड अनदर बॉटल आई हैव खीर मेड अप ऑफ दिस रवा. ओके, सो if I keep these two things for 1 week, which food will get spoiled? Understood?
Kheer had spoiling.
Okay, Kedar is telling that kheer will spoil. What about Ali Hassan? Which will spoil? रवा spoil हो जाएगा या खीर?
Rava.
हाँ,
Rava.
रवा. Okay, so Ali Hassan
Yes,
is
teacher.
telling rava. Only 1 week, huh? I have given you the time period of 1 week. एक हफ्ते का टाइम दिया. एक हफ्ता मैंने रवा सेपरेट रखा और एक डब्बे में रवे से बनाया हुआ खीर रखा. तो कौन जो which food will get spoil easily?
Kheer.
Okay, Kedar still he is stick on the answer kheer. What about Ali Hassan? Is there any change in your answer? Do you want to change your answer?
Yes, teacher.
Huh. What is your answer?
The kheer.
Huh?
Kheer.
Kheer. Okay, what about Bhavya? Okay, Bhavya, after this lecture, please call me. Okay? Okay, so why you told Kedar, why you told that kheer will spoil easily?
क्योंकि उसके अंदर मिल्क रहता है, रवा भी रहता है, तो 1 वीक तो रखेंगे पूरा वो सड़ जाएगा, इसलिए मैं
Okay.
खीर बोला.
Okay. Why Ali Hassan? Why you told kheer will spoil easily?
उसमें मिल्क रहता है और
खीर?
शुगर रहता है.
Okay. Then
मिल्क और शुगर रहता है.
what about semolina? रवा क्यों नहीं spoil हो जाएगा?
जब वो तो मिल्क में ये हो गई ना, नीचे
नहीं, I am asking about separate rava. I have kept 1 bottle of rava separately and 1 bottle of kheer made up of rava. Okay, I am asking about that rava which I kept in the bottle separately. Why it will not get spoiled?
नीचे वो ड्राई रहता है.
Yes, very good. Because it is dry. So drying में क्या होता है? If the food item is dried, there will be no moisture content. Okay, so if there is no moisture content, the microorganisms cannot grow. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay,
Yes, teacher.
now 1 second. There are some questions in your textbook also. Okay, now see. Suppose I want to keep tomatoes for 1 month. How can I keep it?
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator. Can you keep tomato in refrigerator for 1 month?
No, teacher.
No, it will after 2 weeks it will start getting spoiled. Okay, tell me another method using these techniques. Can you tell me another method? Can you suggest me another method? Yes, think and
No,
tell me. Huh? If I want to keep tomato fresh for longer period, which technique should I follow? And it is not necessary कि मुझे टोमेटो वैसे के वैसा ही चाहिए. I can change its shape.
टोमेटो सॉस
तो टोमेटो सॉस बना के रख सकते हैं.
कैसे?
टोमेटो सॉस.
Yes, very good. Tomato sauce or tomato puree. Puree मतलब टोमेटो को ग्राइंड किया तो we will get puree. Okay, so tomato puree, tomato ketchup बना के we can store it for longer period. Is it clear? Any doubt?
no.
Okay, okay. Now I have so many mangoes with me, and I can't eat every mango in a day. Okay, so and I want to store this mango for longer period. So which technique I can use?
टीचर अचार.
Mango achar. Okay, raw mango, kacha mango. I'm asking about ripened one. पका हुआ mango.
क्या आप उसका आमरस बना के रख सकते हो?
Yes, very good. Amras. You
पल्प
can
भी
make
बना सकते हैं.
amras. Then,
पल्प बना सकते हैं.
huh? Pulp.
पल्प बना सकते हैं.
Yes, that pulp means amras. Okay. Now I have some pineapple. So how can I store this pineapple for longer period?
So you can make a juice of pineapple.
Juice. Okay. If you are making juice, you should or you have to make sure that you are stored it in a airtight container. Okay. अगर airtight container में हो तो ही वो longer period रहेगा. Otherwise, any other easy method?
टीचर जैम.
Huh?
जैम.
Jam. Yes, you can make jam of pineapple. So you can store it for longer period. Okay, clear? So understood what are the methods of preserving food?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, तो इससे फूड प्रिजर्व करने से उसका इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है? What are the benefits of?
लॉन्ग टाइम से खा सकते हैं.
Yes,
और
वो
टीचर हमारे
वो
और
same
हमारे
taste.
हेल्थ भी
Yes, yes. We can stop spoiling of that food. Okay, and वो taste रहेगा. Yes, so this is the importance of preservation. Okay, now do you know about spices? Spices.
रेड चिली.
यस
Red
टीचर.
chili. Okay. So spices हम लोग कैसे preserve करेंगे? How we can preserve spices?
एयरटाइट कंटेनर में रख के.
Yes, airtight container. We can keep it in airtight container or another way. Yes, am I audible? Oh. Yes, am I audible?
यस टीचर.
Okay, sorry, I lost my network connection. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so spices. So spices, you told that you can keep it in airtight container. What are the other methods?
कूलिंग. बॉइलिंग.
Boiling. you can dry it and you can make masalas of that. So you can keep these spices in masala form for longer period. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, I will give you some questions. Okay. You have to find out the answers. Okay. Is notebook is with you? Do you have notebook right now?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
If I'm dictating the question, can you write it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. And one more thing, see, when we saw the picture of fungus or the bread which spoiled due to fungus, you have seen some powdery substances on the bread. Okay. So that is because of spores. Okay. It is an important thing. Spores. Fungus produce spores. Okay. Fungus, they produce one second, I will show it.
Teacher, I can be left class. Teacher, I can left class.
Sorry.
Teacher, I left the class.
At 7 o'clock.
Okay.
So see, spores. Okay, so fungus produce spores. Fungus produce spores. Okay, this spores appear as powdery substances on the food items. Okay, so the first question. So these spores are present all over in water, all over us, it is present. Okay, so the first question. Dash present once again, dash of fungus, dash of fungus present in air. So what will you write there? Can you see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So dash of fungus present in air. Who will tell me the answer? Dash of fungus present in air. Yes, anyone?
Germs.
Spores, yes. So spores of fungus present in air. Spores of fungus present in air. Now, give some examples for preservative substances. Give some examples. Give some examples. For preservative substances. So do one thing now, write down these questions. You have to find out these answers, write it in your notebook, click the photo and send me on WhatsApp. Is it clear? Write these questions.
Yes, teacher.
Write these questions, find out the answers, click the photo and send me on WhatsApp.
टीचर ये फोटो आप व्हाट्सएप में भेजेंगे?
हाँ. Can you write it
Okay,
now?
teacher.
What are the different methods of preserving food? What are the different methods of preserving food? And one more thing, next lecture में which lesson you need me to teach, please WhatsApp me. Fourth question. Why do we make jams? Why do we make jams from fruits? Why do we make jams from fruits? So next our lecture will be on Friday. So before that, I need this work to be completed.
Okay, teacher.
Fifth question, what are preservatives? What are preservatives? What are preservatives?
Just finish writing.
Okay, one more question is there. Note down that also. Milk and eggs are carefully stored and then milk and eggs are carefully stored and then sent to the sent to their users. Why? Give reason. Note down one more question. What are the favorable factors? What are the favorable factors for the growth of microorganisms? What are the favorable factors for the growth of microorganisms? Okay. So these are the questions. I will read once again.
Is finished.
Okay, I will read it once again. Give some examples for preservative substances. Then what are the different methods of preserving food? Then why do we make jams from fruits? Then what are preservatives? Next, milk and eggs are carefully stored and then sent to their users. Why? Give reason. Last question. What are the favorable factors for the growth of microorganisms? Okay, if you have any doubt in any one of the question, you can WhatsApp me and you can clear your doubts. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, and next class I will give you the hard words. Hard words from, see, Kedar and Bhavya in the last lecture, I have taught lesson number 12, food for all. Okay, you just go through that chapter. Is it taught in your school? Kedar and Bhavya. No. Okay, you just go through that chapter. I will, and you just go through and try to understand it. For you both, I will take that class another day. Okay. Okay, and please WhatsApp me next class. Which lesson do you want?
Okay, teacher.
WhatsApp me and find out the answers for these questions. That also WhatsApp me. So we'll meet you on Friday.
So you have a notes of 12 lesson.
12 lessons. Okay, you just
Yes.
do me. You just send me hi on WhatsApp. I will send you the notes.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Hi, teacher.
Bye.
टीचर मुझे 13 लेसन के नोट्स चाहिए.
Huh?
13 लेसन के नोट्स चाहिए.
Your voice is not clear.
टीचर मुझे 13 नंबर लेसन के नोट्स चाहिए.
Lesson number 12 ke notes na I have sent to you.
No, teacher, 13.
13. Do one thing, you find out these answers. Afterwards, I will give you the notes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Bye bye, teacher.
Bye.